Hey everyone, Kendall Trotter here, back at Skye Canyon in the Pulte subdivision of Solitude. And today we are going to look at this single story by Pulte named the Park Lane. The Park Lane is 2462 square feet. Base price is $439,880. And it can be optioned as a 3 or a 5 bedroom. So I'm not sure if you've watching this one first or the other one that I did in this community, but we do have two homeowners associations here of $62 a month and $83 a month for the Skye Canyon Master HOA, $62 a month for the subdivision of Solitude, which is where we are, HOA. So 83 and 62. We also have a $13,618 SID, which is an assessment on a lot of new master plan communities. The city will sell bonds to put in all the improvements, parks, roads, curb and gutter, street lights, that kind of thing. And when you buy the house, you get to pay them back. And it's called a SID, Site Improvement District Assessment. Once it's paid for forever. If you sold the house, the buyer usually would assume the SID, although sometimes buyers will negotiate to have the balance of the SID paid off. But either way, it costs you $475 every 6 months until it's paid. All right, once again, I like these houses. When we walk in the front door, you can see all the way to the back wall. So this is the Park Lane, 2462 square feet. Let's go left first, and it looks like we're gonna have 2 bedrooms here. And a bathroom. Nice double sinks. So this is a 3/4 bath with a shower only. Shower does have a bench. Interesting looking granite there. Bedroom number 1. I'd say 12 by 12, possibly 12 by 14. Decent size. These look like 9-foot ceilings to me with 8-foot doors throughout the house. Here's bedroom number 2. About the same size. Nice recessed lighting though. That's a nice little touch. Little walk-in closet in this one though. I mean, it's pretty good size for a secondary bedroom, right? Coat closet. That would be your garage entry, but these are always locked, so we can't go in there. So let's take a look at bedroom number 3. Yeah, got its own bath. Interesting. Once again, 3/4 bath, shower only, single vanity, but a little walk-in closet. Bedroom's sort of small. Now we're back to our normal orange peel texture that we see on most houses out here. Nice laundry room. Look at those cabinets. I'm sure these upper cabinets are an upgrade. Gee whiz. I can reach them, but I'm 6'3". Most people would probably need a little step ladder to get to them, but that'd be good to put away your stuff that you don't use every day, right? Look at that. You got a beer fridge in your laundry room. That's cool. I gotta tell you what, I've been in thousands of houses selling real estate, and I can honestly tell you, I don't know if I've seen that before. Now I have. Great idea. Got your sink, and of course your washer and dryer. Look at that. Little fridge in the laundry room. Man, that is cool. So this probably can be optioned for a bedroom, but it's modeled as a den. At least they have it as a den right now. It seems to be working fine for that. Little half bath. This would be your main bath for guests or yourself to use when you're just here in the kitchen. Wow, I gotta tell you, that's a nice kitchen, but that is some loud granite. I don't know how else to describe it, but loud. Look at the patterns in this. I got some sweet appliances in here too, kitchen aids. And once again, just like the laundry room, you got these cabinet uppers. Check out the pantry. Decent sized pantry. So this is your microwave built in. Very nice. Look at the stove. That is a daddy stove, everybody. That sucker's nice. I think everybody should have that stove. But if you're like me, you use the microwave 90% of the time. Unfortunately, not proud of that, but you know, we're busy. And I don't know what to think about this center island, man. It's, I don't want to say it's not nice, because it is, but it's kind of freaky. It's like got an animal color or something to it. I don't know. Anyways, dishwasher in the center island, that's nice. And more cabinet space. Wow, look at these pocket doors. Well, let's see if we can get out of here. Hey, what do you know? We can. Okay, guys, y'all know that the pool's not included, right? I knew you knew that, but I gotta say it anyway. And the fireplace wouldn't be included. So all this landscaping would not be here. You basically have a dirt lot, or as we say in the business, an empty canvas, which means a dirt lot, for you to paint on how you wish. But I do like this big patio. And they've got some speakers up there. Recessed lighting, that's cool. But on a nice day, I gotta tell you that door weighs about, 800 pounds. You would open both of these up. And like right now, they have the waterfall going on in the pool. On nice, pleasant days, you could just open that up, kind of bring the outside in. That's kind of a feature you see like on $1 million plus homes a lot. But they've included it here. That's pretty nice. Once again, nice big great room design. Basically, here's everything. Oh, we're getting company. Hello.
Hello.
Here's the master. Lots of windows, lots of light. Dang. Look at that shower, folks. I mean, it's nice, don't get me wrong. I wonder if it's just sort of like overkill. But it's cool. Double sinks. Potty room. Walk-in closet. This is a nice house. I like Pulte homes. I like the floor plans they're doing. I've filmed quite a few. Still not quite sold on that granite, I'll tell you. Nice big stainless steel industrial looking sink. It's a nice house, nice floor plan. All right, guys, I think we've seen everything here. I'm Kendall Trotter. If you have any questions about this house or any other house in Las Vegas, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. God bless.